Tuesday, July 2nd edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. We had another pretty soupy day yesterday with some areas of showers and storms around. 83 the high on Monday in Charlotte, 81 in Greensboro, 83 in Raleigh, 85 in Fayetteville, some 70s in the mountains, low 80s in Wilmington and Jacksonville. Currently, a lot of 70s on the board once you get outside of the mountains. 73, these are 5 a.m. temperatures. 73 in Charlotte and Raleigh, 75 in Fayetteville. Columbia at 74, 72 in Greensboro. Now, quick spin around the radar. There's been a couple showers over the past couple of hours. And again, I'm cutting this video just after 5 a.m. So during the pre-dawn hours, they're back in parts of the foothills and the mountains. And there were developing showers in South Carolina up toward the Charlotte metro. And it looks like as the disturbance ripples through this morning, we're going to see a pretty good round of some showers and embedded thunderstorms this morning. And I'll show you the RPM modeling in just a moment. Now, here's the rainfall, 24-hour rainfall totals. You notice there was not a lot from just east of Spartanburg, say around Gaffney there, up into Gastonia near Shelby, and then up toward Lincolnton, Hickory, and up into the foothills areas. But the totals really ramped up yesterday as you went further to the east. Well, everything's shifting a little bit further west today, so we can probably displace that map a little bit to the west, and you'll have what it looks like for today when we take a look at that map tomorrow morning. Now, these are rain totals since Friday. Some big-time totals there. You're looking at many, many spots from north of Charlotte over toward Cabarrus, Stanley, Montgomery counties, and then up north and east from there at 6, 7, 8 inches. And in fact, then you get into some really incredible rain totals south of Chapel Hill there. Some 9-inch totals over that way. Just some really impressive big-time problems there with that too. Mountains have seen their fair share, a lot of 5, 6, 7-inch totals in some mountain areas and just east of the mountains too, in that upslope favored region in the south and southeast flow. Now let's take a peek at the RPM modeling today. And here we are at 10 o'clock. Pretty good coverage of showers and embedded thunderstorms, and that's sort of the deal today. We'll have these waves of showers and thunderstorms moving through at times, a very unsettled type of weather day. And flash flooding remains a concern, a flash flood watch covering basically the entire region. The ground is saturated, will not take much heavy rain at all to cause some flash flooding problems. Here's the setup. Ridge out over the Atlantic, big trough over the Mississippi Valley region, and a big ridge out west. And so in this type of scenario, you have this flow of moisture coming in off of the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico, kind of feeding right up into our region, and it's just a favorable setup to generate rain. Now, as we get deeper into the week, this pattern begins to shift just a little bit west by Thursday, and certainly by Friday and the weekend, this ridge will move overhead. And so that's going to bring a drier, hotter pattern into place. But for the next couple of days, more of the same. The unsettled weather continues. Here we are today. There we go tomorrow. The opportunities for these waves of showers and storms continue. Here's the latest run of the RPM modeling and the rain amounts it generates here across the region. And again, you take the exact amounts with a grain of salt. The bottom line is more rain and thunderstorms on the way. Again, this is what it looks like on the European upper air chart, that pattern I highlighted for you a minute ago. Not much change through tomorrow evening, but here we are by Saturday, this ridge building overhead, and it's squarely overhead by Sunday and Monday of next week. So the result is still very unsettled tomorrow, showers and storms. And then by Thursday, you notice it begins to shift just a little bit off to the west. Friday, still some showers and storms around, but not as much as what we've seen to start the work week. And then certainly by the weekend, we really see the chances for showers and storms diminish. This is the 5-day rain total map from the WPC. A lot of 3, 4, 5-inch totals in broad fashion across the region. So again, flash flooding issues remain a concern. And also, small chance of a couple of tornadoes today. If we get a little bit of instability in place, we'll watch that. That would be mid and late afternoon. All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay dry, and God bless.